What's up, you guys? Peace and blessings. Welcome back to my channel. It's Elena, and today we're going to be revisiting our mermaid tails. If you remember, when I first started doing resin art here on my channel, I had done a couple of mermaid tails, and I was saying that I would revisit them one day because they just didn't come out the way that I wanted them to. They came out really pretty, but they just didn't come out the way that I wanted to. And so today's that day that we're going to revisit them. So going in with my Black Fin Mermaid Tails. The Black Fin, I wanted it to be a little bit more sheer, and it was very opaque the way it turned out. And so I just didn't have the right materials. So now that I do, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot and see how it's gonna turn out. So the items that we're gonna be using today are the black Let's Resin pigment. I'm going to be using this Color Shift Gemstone Shimmer for one of them, and then I'm going to be using my new Shimmering Mermaid Glitter for the other one. We're going to give that a try. So anyway, yeah, I really liked the whole idea of like the Black Fin Mermaid. I love fairy tale stuff, y'all. So I thought this might be, you know, a really cute and fun project to try out. Plus, just thinking of like fairy tale stuff, you know, it could be any color fin, but for whatever reason, the black fin stood out to me. I would love to do like a blue fin or a purple fin too. Just, you know, just thinking about just my imagination, you know, running wild there. So anyway, let me go ahead and mix up some resin. I will be back and we'll get started on this project, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I have my resin mixed up and my colors added. I did go ahead and add some of this blue to the Shimmering Mermaid glitter just to kind of give it a little bit of color. I think that's going to look really pretty because it'll wind up looking like mermaid scales, you know. So I think I put too much black. We'll see. I put 2 drops of the black in. I probably should have only put 1 drop, but we're gonna see what happens here. So let's just go ahead and get to pouring. Oh yeah, that's gonna be pretty. All right, so I'm gonna put a swirl on that. Let me see. I hope it doesn't run too much. Okay, we've got our other tail, and I've got the purple here. I think this is going to look nice too, because this is like a color shift glitter. So I think that'll work out really nicely. Let's go ahead and pour. All right, y'all. So all right, you guys, so I'm gonna let this go ahead and cure, you know, for the 24 hours, and then we will come back. I feel like this purple one is a little bit more along the lines of what I was trying to do. You can see it's a little bit more translucent in this one than it is on this one. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Yep, so we will be back in 24 hours with the demolding. Stay tuned. Okay, so it is time to demold these mermaid tails. Let's see how they came out. Just kind of looking here on the surface, I can definitely see that the glitter, the chunky glitter, sink down to the bottom. So it's on the front side of this one, and then the same thing here with this one, but with this being a little bit more chunky, it looks like they've just kind of gathered in the middle. So I don't know, kind of leery about how that's going to come out. And then this one has a little air bubble that didn't get popped, so I don't know, let's just see. Oh, it still came out nice though. It's different. I just wish it would have been a little bit more spread out. But there's the black fin. So this is a little bit lighter than the original. Let me see if I can find an original too in a moment so you can see the difference. This is, yeah, this is a little bit more sheer. I like the way that that looks. Looks like we didn't get pigment over here too much, but the rest of it is okay. I actually like that. I actually really like that. Let's demold the other one. And then this one, remember, I didn't add as much black to make it a little bit more translucent. And yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. Look at that. Yes, you guys, I like it. So I actually think I like the darker better. Yeah. So when I first did them, they were like just really dark, opaque. You know, you couldn't see through them at all. But this, I don't know, I kind of like this effect that it's not as dark. It gives it a little bit of a softness. This one I think is just a little bit too clear for my liking. A little bit too translucent on the tail. The body though is beautiful. Like this color. I just wish it would have spread. You know, this mold is such a deep mold. The glitter has no choice but to kind of settle down in there. So I don't know how I would get around that, but yeah, this is what they look like. Not too bad for the second try. We'll have to make some more colors. Let me know what y'all think about these, or if I should do another fin color. I don't know why Black Fin just came to me one day. I just thought it might be really pretty and unique. Again, I'm into like fairy tale stuff, so I'm always like thinking about stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know, maybe a purple fin or a blue fin. Yeah, blue fin would probably be nice. Blue Fin Mermaid Tail. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. This is how they turned out. I would need to probably dome this. I don't know how I'm gonna have to put it in rice. That's what I'll do. I'll have to dome this because it's a little raised here. But other than that, you know, they're pretty cool. So I like them. Like, this is my favorite though. Yeah, this whole thing is my favorite, and then the body of this part is my favorite. I like that. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you guys for, you know, stopping by and, you know, hanging out with me while I retry the mermaid tails. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here and you want to see more resin work, more just crafting, period. Getting right back into the swing of things over here. You know, I had been gone for a little while, but I'm pretty much back now. And yeah, I hope you can join me. So talk to me in the comment section, guys. I love to talk back with you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to go out there and create something new and trust your dopeness. I'm sending y'all love, peace, and light. See you in the next video. Bye.